Honestly, you're not a real car enthusiast if you don't get zip ties in your car. So I'm official now, you know. What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do a quick video on how to install quick release fasteners for her. I actually do need them. I'm not doing them for like cosmetic purposes. I actually need them since I remove my bumper up and like take them off all the time. When you try to put it back on, the plastic stuffs don't stick anymore. See, they're on both sides, so it looks weird. It looks weird like that. So we're gonna connect the quick fasteners and see how it looks. Alright, so we're gonna try to put it back up. So that's how it's supposed to look like. So we're gonna either drill the holes either up here or down here. Easier to do it right here, but I like this one better. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so now what you want to do is get one of the fasteners and put it like roughly where you want to put this at. For me, it's gonna be right there. We're gonna mark that spot. Mark that right there. I only have this pink marker to show. But once we drill that, let's drill it. First is you gotta make sure behind it, if you have enough space. Make sure you don't drill a hole that's bigger than this. This is like the perfect size, so we're gonna start drilling. You're gonna do this. You can put the flat side onto the fender, like that. Once you do that, you put this washer. Well, when you put it through here, then behind the fender, you put this on there, and then the nut. Put the nut right there. But what I'm gonna do is to secure it. I'm actually gonna put Loctite onto this, so it will actually stay on. Just in case it vibrates and all that stuff, it'll get loose. So this will prevent it from getting it loose. Okay, so now that you got this in there, it's not going anywhere. Once you put that in there, put this one here too. The other one. Make sure you have a marker on hand. Once you have the marker, either have someone help you or try to do this yourself. Pick the bumper up of where you want it, and then put this on there, and then put the pressure, how much pressure you want it, like for example, like right there. Once you do that, somehow mark it. For me, I'm gonna put a little bit more to the left, so it adds more like pressure onto the O-ring, so it could probably hold it in place more better. But yeah, just drill a hole. So that's supposed to look right there. Looks a little bit. I'm gonna do the other side. The other side is the same. We'll do it on this side and see if it fixes the problem. Alright, so in this case, I already made the marking of where. Oh, my foot. Anyway, but yeah, I made my marking, so now that drill it in. Maybe get it from this side. Pull up. I almost had that. There you go. Still looking weird though, but my homie just pulled up right now. Oh, look at the sky. The sky is so beautiful. Alright, so that's the final result right there. There's still a gap right here, so I'm not really liking it, and I'm using 2 of the bands. You're only supposed to use just 1, but the other side came out a little bit worse actually. There's still a gap, so maybe I didn't like measure it right, but yeah, there's that. There's still a gap in between the headlights right here. But what I'm gonna do, what I saw on other YouTubers and like Instagram pages and stuff like that, they actually use zip ties. Yeah, so I bought zip ties. I bought these big ones, but these are too big, so I'm gonna end up using these smaller ones. Okay, so this is the size of the zip tie I'm gonna use, so we'll see how it looks. I don't know. I'm gonna take these out and put these on. See the difference. Yeah, so I took them out. This is how it looks like right now. These are in there good because I Loctite them and everything, so I already have them on there, so I might as well keep on using this. And like I said before in the video, I'm using this because I have to, not because it looks cool. I'm doing this because I take off the bumper so much, and like these tabs came off and everything, so yeah. But yeah, we're gonna put the zip tie on and see how it looks. Gonna lift it up from down here. So we close the gap. There's still a gap, so I don't know. I'm just gonna be consistent and use zip ties on both sides, because I feel like you could tell from the rubber that it's already like breaking down already. So I already know maybe like in a couple of weeks or so it's gonna break off anyway, so you might as well be consistent on both sides. Okay, so that's the final product right there. I tightened it down. You see how it's almost no gap right there? Way better than how it was before, as you can tell. And on this side, I did the same thing, zip ties on both sides. There's almost no gap between. That's how they come out of the factory pretty much. Like honestly, Ford, you gotta deal with that. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and honestly, you're not a real car enthusiast if you don't use zip ties in your car. So I'm official now, you know. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.